Welcome to 1802 Faraway Drive. This lovely 3-bedroom, 2 full bath home with a covered front porch, 3-car detached garage workshop, and hardwood and tile flooring throughout inside. It sits on a fully fenced corner lot in the Woodfield Park neighborhood in Northeast Columbia, convenient to I-77, I-20, also near Fort Jackson and other Northeast area amenities. So we're out front. You can see we're at the front of the house now. You can see there's a covered front porch here. Before we go inside, did just want to point out along the side, if you can see that second building that is alongside the house, that is the detached 3-car garage and workshop. You'll be able to see a photo of it and also see it from the inside once we view it from there inside the house. We're on the covered front porch, as you can see now, and you can also see that lot is fully fenced out there, and that surrounds the entirety of the property. That's the front and the backyard, which is nice as it is on that corner. So as you enter the home, you know there's hardwood flooring inside. So there's some type of hardwood basically or tile flooring throughout the entire property. You enter into the formal living room. You have a ceiling fan in here. It's a really nice sized room. A couple big windows at the front. And then you have your bedrooms and baths on that side. Then your sort of main living space is all over here. So you also have a nice formal dining area sort of centrally located here right off the living room. You can see that slightly different type of flooring, but still very nice. You have the beadboard wainscoting in here also, and that nice arched entryway in the sort of opening to the family room and kitchens. So chandelier in here or a light fixture. You can see the arch to the kitchen there. Just off of this space, we also do have a nice sunken den or family room, which is really large. You have tile flooring in here, a ceiling fan. Also, there's a separate door entrance and exit out to the side yard. And then you have this nice fireplace wall, sort of a wood stove, and then kind of the a built-in cubby for wood and fire tools, but a nice mantle and stone hearth surround on that. And then the arched entryway into the kitchen. So we have a door here that accesses, where you can access the yard from here. So you can see just off of here, you have yard space on that side that's kind of open. There's a patio, sort of a detached patio that's in that back left corner. But back in the kitchen itself, you can see a beautifully redone kitchen. You have butcher block countertops, white cabinets, and sort of painted white beams on the ceilings, and included stainless steel appliances, as well as the subway tile backsplash. So you have a side-by-side refrigerator, smooth top electric range with the above range microwave, as well as the dishwasher there. Nice big windows over the kitchen sink. Nice center island also, with more storage, and then a couple of nice glass accent doors on the cabinets there. And then here, of course, you have a nice eat-in dining area with a big window. There is a corner pantry space, as well as on this side, your laundry closet, full-size washer and dryer connections there, and then you have some built-in cabinetry above, which is very nice. And then on this side here, the door accesses, as you can see, just sort of more of the side yard. You can see that railing coming down and awning. That's where the door off the family room comes in. But you can see just a second view to the backyard. There's a small patio here, a nice bench, and then you can see the backyard space again. And then also, via this door, access to the 3-car bay garage and workshop. So you can see a lot of space in here. You have some storage kind of built in. There's a utility sink, everything along this wall as well. So really nice space with nice level, pretty level floor in here. If for nothing else than just some extra storage. And then back inside, we'll finally get you down to take a look at the bedrooms and baths. So we're gonna cross the dining room, and that puts us into the hall. You can see there's a attic pull down, possibly some storage up there. You have a full bathroom off the hall. There's flooring in there. You have a single vanity and tile, a tub and shower. Nice window, so nice bright bathroom. And then linen closet along the way, or excuse me, a coat closet rather, along the way to the primary suite, which faces the backyard. So you have a ceiling fan in here, chrome molding, 2 closets along this wall, got a window, and then also a private full bathroom. So you have tile flooring and some tile accents and shower in there, and a single vanity, as you can see. And then last but not least, you have 2 final bedrooms that are front facing that round out the property, which are both a pretty decent size. And again, this is in the area where you have the same hardwoods that are coming off of the main entry, which are throughout most of the house. And then last but not least, again, bedroom number 3. So that completes our tour of this home at 1802 Faraway Drive in Northeast Columbia near Fort Jackson. You can find out more information online at sc.purepm.co.